Hello guys, how have you been? Hopefully everything is going well. I am also well by the grace of Almighty. How are you? Guys, I want to tell you something today. That's why I am come in front of you about the speaking English and about the learning English. Guys, I am also not a good speaker. I am not a fluency and I am not a native speaker. Just I am a beginner like you. I want to learn English also. So if we want to learn English, what we have to do? What we have to take some initial steps for learning English. We have to understand this one, and then we have to apply it regular basis, and we have to practice. Guys, we want to learn everything, but our main problem is we don't want to practice, and we don't want to how, and we actually we not have the accuracy. How can we have to learn this one, and how we will gain this one? We are maximum people like us try to do everything, but we have no any hard working, and we don't want to do the hard work, and we have no actually the path. We don't take the path how we will gain this one, when it will, how it will be beneficial in our life. We don't think like this one. So this is the main problem. I want to tell you today, if you want to learn English, you have to practice. Without practice, we can't get it. First of all, you have to learn vocabulary. If you are a learner, if you are a beginner, without vocabulary, you can't get in English. You have to give up. But never give up. If you have the knowledge, and if you have the aim for learning English, you can do that. But you have to try daily to daily. If you practice today, or it's left for 2 days or 3 days, after 2 days you are taking the books and you are trying to practice, this is not good idea. If you want to learn English, you have to practice regular, and you have to pay your attention to the book. Without book you can't learn also. And sometimes we can getting the support from our social media. But if you want to learn from social media, you have to subscribe every types of thing of English. If you using the Facebook, there will be some of English friends like England, Australia, UK, USA, this type of friend. Then they will some post in Facebook, and you will getting easily, and you will be read this one, what they are trying to say you, and what is the subject of the post. Okay, when you are using Instagram, you also there subscribe some newspaper, then magazine article, that research thinking, that type of subscriber you have to subscribe. Okay, and if you are user of YouTube, there have lots of podcast channel. You should subscribe the podcast channel. You should subscribe the newspaper channel. You should subscribe the movies channel, which channel is making basis of the English. So guys, like if you follow me, you can also understand. I have no any partner right now. That's why I am making a videos in English. This is the way of my practice. I am practicing and I am making a video. This is also very informative and very beneficial for everyone. So there have nothing in the world who can obstacle you from learning English if you want to learn English. And if you don't want to learn English, there have no one in the world who can gain this one. So first of all, you have to the power of strength. You have to the hunger, like a hungry man. We are seeing anybody is hungry, he always try to getting foods. So guys, not for today. Until then, be safe. Thank you.